Welcome to Butcher School. Today we are seeing about the beauty of tactics in middle game. In this position, white is pawn up, but black pieces are very extremely strong position. So black want to checkmate in the h file, but white queen is defending the h2. So for diversion, he played rd7. Even here he can play even f4 also. It's also a good move. Even after gf3, queen g1 checkmate, or nd5, ng3 check, hg3, queen h5 is the mate. But here he played actually rd7, attacking the queen, because queen into d7 is not possible. ng3 check, hg3, queen h5 mate. So white played na2, defending the g3 square, but he lost the queen. Queen into rook into d6, rook d6, knight d2, attacking the bishop. Idea knight into bishop. If king g1, knight f1, king f1, queen into g2, king e1, f4 is completely winning for black. So rook into d2 he played, but after queen d2, knight e3, queen into a2, it is winning for black. Here all pieces are equal, both the side, but looks like black pieces are very active. Somehow white played so beautifully, because his black's h7 is very weak, so he played brilliant move here, rook d4, not queen c4. It is the mistake, because after n into a1 black is winning, so he played rook d4, very beautiful move, attacking on h7. Now nd4 is not possible, because queen into s7 or n into a1 is not possible. Queen into s7 mate again, even queen f5, queen into f5, g6, not rook f5. If rook f5, then rook d8 check, rf8 and rf8 mate, and after g6 also queen e5 check, kg8, ne6, rook d7 guarding the g7 square, rook into d7, rook f1 check, rook into f1, ne3. Now rook f8 is the mate. Even queen f1 also not good, because rook f1, even queen f1, knight d4, knight f7 check, kg8, nd8, winning for white. So after g6, white played rook d8, knight a1. Now also pieces are equal, but now white pieces are very active. Now correct move is queen c3, even queen d4 check also okay, queen into d4, rook f8 check, king g7, knight e6 check, king s6, knight into d4. It is also winning for white. He played queen c3, kg8, queen c4 check, king h8, rook f8 check, queen f8, now ne6, king on h8 black king is become very weak, and now he attack the queen on only. If kg8, knight f8 winning the queen, winning. If queen f2, then queen c8 is after queen f8, queen into f8 mate, or queen b8 is queen c3 check. Even king g8, queen g7 is mate. After queen c3 check, even queen e5, queen c8 is the mate. In all the variation, white is winning, and such beautiful middle game we have to study more and more to improve our game.